guy's name is Annikin, and he's a dog we have available for adoption here at the Rifle Animal Shelter. Annikin is probably about a couple-year-old, we're guessing Poodle mix. He's a neat kind of a charcoal gray color. He's found as a lost dog, and just can't believe nobody came to get this cutie because he's obviously been well taken care of. He's nicely groomed. Just a great dog. He's really, really nice. We certainly have enjoyed having him and looking forward to helping him find a great home. If you love small dogs and like the kind of the poodle types, come on down to the Rifle Animal Shelter and be sure and meet Annikin. He's a good dog and you're just going to love him.